Hi, so I wanted to continue talking about the capsule goals that I have set up with my principal and the school district with the use of our principal pipeline. I want to talk about goal 3, which is foster a school climate that is fair, safe, and respectful, and that meets the needs, which are intellectual, linguistic, cultural, social, emotional, and physical of the whole child. The LCAP goals that this is aligned with the district is goal 1, which is create safe, inclusive, and welcoming learning environments where students attend and are connected to their schools. And then goal 2 of the LCAP, which is engage parents, families, and community partners through education, communication, and collaboration to promote student success. The capsule that this goal 3 is aligned with is standard 3, which is management and learning environment, and element C, which is the climate. The evidence or data that I'm going to need to document this will be build and maintain positive relationships with teachers, staff, families, and students, collaborating with teachers and families in determining what the needs are for students, using restorative practices to foster a school climate that is fair, safe, and respectful, because I truly believe that all students should be in school, and that grace is huge, and that each day is a new day. Creating a school climate where the mindset is that all our students are successful. The way to measure this goal is to have conversations with teachers about the academic and social emotional needs of their students and determining what these needs are so that interventions and instructional strategies can be implemented, and assist teachers and staff in setting up regulation stations for students in classrooms and the office so that the social emotional needs of students are met. Evidence will be shown by decrease of referrals for students to the office, because students will be taught how to recognize what triggers them so that they can ask ahead of time to be able to take a break using the regulation station. And then I will do this with frequent check-ins with my principal and my coach on my progress. The support that I'm going to need for this are opportunities to have conversations with teachers about student data and instruction. We have a program here called The Leader in Me, so professional developments with that so that I am implementing this school-wide program. Attend district offered professional development that will familiarize myself with district curriculum so that I can have the conversations with teachers about district adopted curriculum, guiding teachers in the conversation of implementing of regulation stations to meet the social emotional needs of students, frequent check-ins with my principal and my coach on the progress, and then the honest and candid constructive criticism and coaching conversations that will help me grow professionally. I truly believe that the training that I've had over at Sassoon Elementary in trauma informed will also be beneficial with me meeting this goal.